Hi, it's Allie from Graphco, and we are here to talk about some product snippets on the Horizon CRF362. So printers love the CRF362 because it's an incredibly economical machine to purchase, and yet it does so much for the bindery in both an offset bindery as well as a digital bindery. And it's a simple machine. It creases and folds, but it does so with an incredibly quick setup, and it just makes a beautiful product. All right, so the reason why everybody needs a CRF is because it performs that essential creasing and folding function, and it does so at a pretty nominal cost of entry, and it'll last for 15 or 20 years, which, you know, is an awesome thing.
Graphco and Standard Horizon bring together best-of-class sales and technical support, and of course the finest finishing equipment in the industry.
Great, thanks for tuning in. If you need more information on the CRF362, please visit www.graphco.com.